All right, everyone, welcome back to Learning Hacks. Today we're going to be talking about how to break apart a number in expanded form just to the tens place. Let's dive into it. All right, before I begin, I want to say if you like the video, drop a like, drop a sub, share it. All that stuff is really helpful. I know it's YouTube and cheesy, but it is legitimately helpful. All right, if you loved the video, consider maybe busting open that piggy bank, maybe asking your parents to empty out their retirement fund and donate it to my channel. All that would be very helpful. You know, a little bit goes a long way. Okay, so finding expanded form with numbers I think is really easy. I've got an easy method that I'll show you, and I think you'll get the hang of it super fast. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is find the value of each number. So I like to start in the biggest place value that we have right here. This place value would be the tens. Okay, so this is like 3 tens. So if I handed you 3 $10 bills, how much money would you have? You'd have $30. Okay, another way you can look at it, which I find the easiest way for students, is to just copy the number down. So that's a 3. And then if I have one number right there to the right of it, I'm going to write a 0. So it's 30. Okay, and then I'm going to add this place value, which is 4 ones. So if I handed you 4 $1 bills, you'd have $4. Okay? And then it would add it back up to 34. That's expanded form. You're just breaking it apart by the place value. Super duper duper simple. All right, we have 3 more to look at. Let's go for it. All right, so again, I'm going to start with the biggest place value that I have, and that's this tens right here. So this is like 4 $10 bills. That'd be $40. Or you could copy down the number, and then how many numbers do I have over here? Well, I just have one number, so that would mean it would be 1 0. And then I'm going to add my 7 ones, which would be 7. Okay, and that would be 47. Okay, two more, just 2 more. All right, let's take a look at 68 and then 93. Same deal as always. Okay, I'm going to start at my biggest place value, and I'm going to copy it down. How many numbers do I have right here? Well, that's just 1. So I'm going to make 1 0, right? One number, 1 0. And I'm going to add my 8. Okay, and that would be 68. Okay, look, 6 tens. If I handed you 6 $10 bills, you'd have $60. If I handed you 8 $1 bills, you would have $8. Add that dude back up. You got it. All right, last one. 93. Well, I'm going to start with this one. 9 $10 bills would be $90, or 9 and then just 1 0 slapped on the end. All right, and then I'm going to copy down my 3. 3 ones is just $3. I'm going to add that bad boy back up, and I get 93. Okay, so very quick look, very simple. I love teaching expanded form. I think it's awesome. Students get stuck on it. And this is a super duper easy way to help you guys out with this. All right, if you like the video, share it, subscribe, donate your life savings, simple stuff. All right, have a good one. Thanks.